Here at Carmel Critic, I search out new artists in traditional as well as new art forms, seeking to discover how they break through to recognition in today's art culture. I decided to start the Carmel Critic here at the Carmel Film Festival, a great venue to find new emerging talent in the film industry. This year's films include A-list actors like Jake Gyllenhaal in Nightcrawler, Keira Knightley in Laggies, and Robin Williams in Merry Friggin' Christmas, his last film. But I'm here to see young, new, and emerging filmmakers. One thing I've learned since being here is that filmmakers come in all ages, from the young filmmakers fresh out of film school to those who are switching careers from writing or stuntman to directing their first film and trying to make it big. Steven Markowitz was the youngest filmmaker I met at the Film Fest. Steven just graduated Rochester Institute of Technology in animation. Hands of Flame was his senior thesis. Let's hear what advice Steven has for other aspiring filmmakers.
It's great just kind of getting to meet all these filmmakers and just being here and being able to talk to people, and really I think people of every experience level. And so really just make the film that you want to, and if people say that's a bad idea, prove them wrong.
Ethan Cogan and Jessica Silvetti started their careers in acting before becoming first-time directors and producer. Their movie, Happy for Nothing, was a short about a depressed woman and an infomercial. Jessica and Ethan gave us their insight into being first-time filmmakers.
I think our biggest challenge was dealing with the budget and the confines of 2 locations, and making that all work in editing.
Carmel Critic, and I'm sure any filmmaker would completely agree with you. And finally, I interviewed Johnny Martin, former stuntman and first-time filmmaker of the feature film Case Number 13. Johnny shares his perspective on breaking through and what it takes to be successful in film.
Don't give up. I mean, it's the easiest thing in the world in this business is to give up and be told that you're not right for this industry. And as long as you remember who you are and stay who you are, you will gain ground in this business. I've been in it for 30 years and have pretty much have done everything from stunts to second unit directing to producing, and that's what makes a true filmmaker, someone that desires to make what's in their heart.
Passion and creativity collide here at the Carmel Film Festival. Make sure you tune in next week for more at carmelcritic.com. Mark your calendars for next year to join me. Until next week, stay passionate, my friends. Check out the Carmel Critic next week for more original coverage of breakout artists.